Welcome back to Let's Fix It with Dan Jiles. Today's project is a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a few little household chores around the house, and I thought I would take you along with me. For you guys out there, I'm sorry if it's going to offend you in any kind of way. That's not my intention. I guess you could see by the title of this video what I'm talking about. Let's get started. Wait, did you think that I was going to be doing electrical? Oh, I'm sorry. You know, doing laundry and taking care of the dishes, that's fixing things around the house too. So chip in, guys. You can do it. Let's continue. For you guys out there that don't do household chores, I'm really sorry if this gets you in any kind of trouble. I hope it didn't offend you. This is Dan Jiles with Let's Fix It. I'll see you soon.